Thank you again, Mrs. Amachin, for your introduction from the Council's perspective, and also the highlights of the Israeli companies entering into China market. So yes, we are your partner. We are your local partner. So come and find us if you are going to the China market, and I believe that we will be the best option. So this slide just give a very quick glimpse of how big the China market is, but I think this is we don't need to mention too much because I think it's all clear in terms of Chinese business, the population and the huge potential in various industries. So what can Tencent help? Tencent Cloud help you in terms of your your trial and your attempt to enter the China market and get the successful business here. So let's put the enter China into 5 steps. So in each step, we have the corresponding solution and team and our ecosystem partner to help you to remove your barriers. First of all is the registration part, and I believe that we can also have a lot to cooperate with Ms. Amchin and the Council in offering consultancy services for entity setup, trademark registration, copyright. And the second is the security part. This is extremely important for business that will have a local presence, local office, local operating a local human resources to understand the security requirements of the Chinese regulations. And the second part is internet companies that will need to have internet operation or commercial activities in China, where we also have special regulations for the internet content providers, which I will mention it also in the following slides. And the third part is the business setup, which is we also can serve as your partners to give you the quick resources that you need. Fourth part, operation and development. Tencent have a series of quick and efficient tools for your quickly get into the market and to operate your team here. And finally is the go-to market. So I believe that the full 5 steps will fit for those companies that have a very clear decision already, or even you are already in China, you already have a footprint in China, but you are seeking for expanding, then this is an ideal solution for you. For those who have not yet been considering or are still thinking about some cross-border business, maybe some part of this will be fitful, like the go-to-market will be something that fit for you. So I just pick several of the most keen interest parts of the solutions in today's session, given the time limitation. And for the whole picture of the China Connect solution, we can probably have a separate or even one-on-one meeting with those who are interested to dive into detail. So this map also shows several perspectives of how Tencent Cloud can help enterprise to have the successful entering into the China, especially from the IT perspectives. First of all is the reliability and compliance of Tencent Cloud. As Ms. Amachin mentioned, if you're going to a China market, you have to adopt a Chinese cloud provider to achieve the highest level of reliability and compliance. So Tencent Cloud owns a much more availability zones in the China markets to secure the data security of your business. And the second part is the ICP, which is Internet Content Provider Filing. This is a necessary step for anyone who wants your website, your app, or any other internet-related business to be able to access to the Chinese audience. So we do have already partnering with GateHub on delivering several of the service to our partners or the end customers to be able to host their website successfully in China. So we are also happy to talk to you if you have this kind of queries. And for Tencent Cloud, in our portal, we have the A to Z solution for you to quickly apply for this kind of filing and get the required cloud servers as needed for hosting your websites and your other applications. And the third part is some security tools you might need, like the firewalls, the anti-DDoS attacks to make sure the network security in the China market. And also, it's worth mentioning that WeChat or actually Weixin in China, what we call, is one of the most prevalent application and lifestyles of Chinese people. So we can also integrate a lot of solutions with WeChat for having your business portals in the mini program and doing a lot of marketing and customer reach, as it is now hosting over 1.2 billion active users in China. Like almost all the people that owns smartphone will have WeChat on their smartphone. So this is also the core cutting advantages of Tencent Cloud as your China entering partner. So this is just to show that in China market there will be regulations for the cybersecurity, and Tencent Cloud has a full racks of the security products for making sure your data, your access, your internet, and the business are fully secured, either from your business perspective or from the regulation compliance perspective. What was mentioned is that we have content security regulations, and several of the contents will be under very strict censorship. So if you're having content related business, the content security products will be very helpful for you to make sure that the contents you're delivering are not reaching to any red lines of the Chinese regulations. And the product is called Tianyu Content Security Product. Currently, it is helping hundreds of media, especially the media content companies, as among others, like entertainment, to have the AI and also human-based of the content review and audit, and to automatically alarm or even shut down some illegal or insecure contents, that to make sure that their business will not be affected because of these kind of illegal contents. Finally, I want to talk a bit about the go-to-market solutions, because as you might know, the social media marketing in China is quite different from the Western world or other regions in the world. We have our own dedicated platforms for the users to get information, to be influenced. For example, the biggest app, the WeChat, owned by Tencent. Nowadays, we are having a lot of channels in WeChat or Weixin to do the customer exposure, impression, reach, maintenance, and operation and conversion. So for all our guests who would like to have this reach out to this part of the Chinese users, we will have various solutions to do the go-to-market and marketing. And the whole life cycles looks like this. So within the Tencent ecosystem, you can achieve the customer identification with our customer or the user portfolios and some big data, and you can get the customers targeting advertisement to do the first round of customer pitching, exposure, and have the dedicated operation back end for you to collect this traffics to study more on them, to do the second round of touch, to operate them through the private network that you build with this potential customer, and finally turn them into a real buyer or user of your products and solutions. And the other thing is that for Tencent, we, or like especially for the WeChat and Weixin, we have the three major modules: the short audio accounts, the content official accounts, and the service carrier, the mini program. So you can imagine like that the audio visual carrier, it's like a TikTok that is embedded in WeChat, and a content carrier is like a news portal or like a article portal for the users to constantly view some different contents. And the service carrier mini program is like the mini version of an application that is built in the WeChat. So through the three circles, you can achieve both the service, the contents, and the audio video reach to your potential customers within this 1.2 billion active user pool. And that's overall introduction of the China Connect part and all the four parts of the Tencent Cloud solution into this session. So we are very keen to see collaboration to the customers in the audio video sectors, in the gamings, in the internet startups who want to seek solutions for quickly grow your business, and also customers who want to go to China market. So we are now open to the questions related to all the four topics. Yeah, and I'll give back the floor to Itai. Yeah, thanks.